So here's a more difficult query. I've got the case of the stolen motorbike here. In this example, there's two witnesses. So there's John Burke, who's a mechanic, age 45, and there's Billy Wise, the motorcycle champion, who's 27 and has got fair hair. So Sherlock Holmes asks, when did you realise, Mr. Wise, that your Honda was missing? Mr. Wise replies, we had just finished the final practice session before the start of the 250cc Manx Tourist Trophy race. I left the pits and returned to the hotel for lunch. Did you notice anything, Mr. Burke? A steward told me that I was wanted by Billy back at the hotel. When I arrived at the hotel, I found out that Billy hadn't sent for me. The message must have been a hoax. When I returned to the pits, Billy's bike was missing. Can you tell me anything about the man who gave you the message? He was younger than me, so he was younger than me. That's quite key, but older than Billy. His hair was the same colour as Billy's, and he was wearing an earring. So let's go back to our query now. Right, create, query design, and we're going to pop in the table, press close. 1 field, 2 field, 3 field, 4 field, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all fields in. Now we know this person had an earring, that's key. So he had earring. So I've popped that in. Now that should narrow our search down straight away. So we know it's one of these 7 people. However, the age is key as well. So we know that he was younger than me but older than Billy. So he was between 27 and 45. Now we can do that in various ways. So age is greater than 27 and less than 45. Now I'm just going to show you what I've wrote in age there. I'm just going to zoom in onto paste this onto the Word document so you know exactly what I've pasted. Right, this is what I've typed. This is a sign for greater than, and this is the sign for less than. Yeah? So greater than or equal to, greater than 27 and less than 45. So I've popped that into the query there, and let's see what happens here. We've still got a fair few people here. Now we know that he had the same colour hair as somebody else, so let's have a quick look. Billy, what colour was Billy's hair? Fair. So if we go back to our query, pop it back in design, we know that he had fair hair. Now if we run this one, there we go. Max Schmidt, male, 32, 1.67 meters, fair, German, earring, blood type B. There's our man. Second case closed.